Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the publisher has been blocked error on Windows 11. First, locate the installation file or executable file that is showing the error. Right-click the file and select Properties. In the General tab, look near the bottom of the window. If you see an Unblock option, check the box next to it. Then click Apply and OK. This removes the security restriction that Windows may have placed on the downloaded file. After that, try running the file again. If the issue continues, open the Start menu, type Internet Options, and press Enter. When the Internet Properties window opens, switch to the Content tab and click on Publishers. Next, open the Untrusted Publishers tab. Look through the list and find the publisher related to the software you are trying to install. Select it and click Remove. Close all windows and try launching the file again. Another possible cause is Windows Defender Smart Screen. Open the Start menu, type Windows Security, and open it. Select App and Browser Control. Under Reputation-Based Protection, click Reputation-Based Protection Settings. Turn off the Check Apps and Files option. Once disabled, try installing or running the program again. If the software opens successfully, remember to turn this protection feature back on afterward to keep your system secure. You can also try running the file with administrator privileges. Right-click the installation file and select Run as administrator. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes. This gives the program elevated permissions that may be required to complete the installation. After completing these methods, the blocked publisher error should be resolved, and the application should run normally on your Windows 11 PC. Thanks for watching.